My offer is far more than this building is worth.
She's knocking everything down.
I'm sorry, I just can't get her to sell.
But I don't want to sell.
If you don't, I will crush you like a bug.
It's the American dream.
You wouldn't want to be the one to stand in the way of progress, would you?
I have been hearing and seeing my dad.
Are you all right? That's not that weird.
Well, he's kind of been dead for 12 years. I just wish I could talk to you one last time. I really miss you, Dad. Daddy?
Careful what you wish for, kiddo.
I'm here for you.
I believe this dream is alive and well.
What? That building is mine.
Right.
Lily, you and I were meant to be.
Divorced. That's what we were meant to be.
You will sign this partition suit calling for forced liquidation of said property via an auction.
What am I going to do?
You rip his guts out.
I've got a present for you outside and right here.
I just don't know if I can do it.
Sign it.
It's actually kind of sad. There's some people here that are trying to change it all.
I will sue all of you!
It's the American way.
You know, you could just take it. You can just take it away from her.